Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this headband. It's so easy and it's Tunisian stitch. For this I will use a Tunisian hook like that, but if you don't have one, you can use this kind crochet hook too. So because it's not a big work, that could be enough for you. And I used Kartopu Elegance. I use a little from this yarn, maybe 30 grams of yarn, and it recommends 5mm crochet hook, but I used 6.5 because for Tunisian works I like to use bigger hooks. I think, I'm not sure, but it could be size 4 yarn, maybe size 5, I'm not sure, it's not written here. It's 100% polyester, and it's all. You can use any kind of yarn you choose. I want to give you the measurements too. It's 4 inches long here, and if you measure it from here, it's 10 inches long. I give you the measurements at the video too, and I hope that could help to adjust it as you like. And if you have any question, please leave comments. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. At first, Mushfiq wants to say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I will send him and turn. I will start with a slip knot. And chain 15. And of course it's up to you. If you want to make it more wide, you can make more chains, but I think that's enough. I made 15 chains, and now skip this first chain because we have this loop. Insert into this next chain, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, insert into the next chain, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and next. And keep going like that. By the way, I have a video about this Tunisian stitch, basic Tunisian stitch. It's here. You can look this video too. But it's so simple. Just collect your 15 loops. That's the last one. Let me count. Yes, it's 15. Now we will go back. Grab the yarn. Sorry. Yes. Pull through from this, only this first loop. Yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through from 2, 2, 2, and keep going like that. We complete our first set, and now we will make it again. Don't leave this yarn too loosey here. And that's our second loop. That's the first one, and we will take our second loop from here. Insert your hook here. Grab the yarn and pull through. Just insert your hook into this. You see there is 2 legs, right and left one, and left one is also in front of this work. Insert your hook from here and pull up a loop. I'm at the end, and here don't take this only one loop, take both loops here. Insert here and pull up a loop. Now we will go back. Only one at first, then 2, 2, 2, sorry. And we will make the same thing. We will start from this one. And keep going like that. It's so simple, as you see. And not a big project, so you can finish it easily. Insert here. And now we will turn back. And keep going like that. Make it as long as you want. That's Tunisian stitch, so it will not stretch more. So wrap it around your head, and if it fits, that's okay. I will make it, and when I turn back, I will give you the measurements. I made it 23 inches long. It's 58 centimeters, a little more than 59. We can call it 59. And of course that fits to my head. If you had a smaller head, you can make it smaller. And I leave a long tail here. And now we will sew it. That's the wrong side. Actually, you can use this wrong side also. It looks beautiful. And that's the right side. Now take this side and fold it like that. Okay? Take the other side, fold it again, and put this one inside here. And we will sew these ones like that. And that's it. As you see, it's so simple. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.